Do you know that what you do immediately after uploading your YouTube video can either kill that video or blow up that video? Listen, let me tell you this. What you do within the first 30 minutes to 1 hour of uploading your YouTube video matters most. Listen, let me tell you, even if nobody has commented on your YouTube video, after like 30 minutes to 1 hour, go to your comment section, comment on your videos, comments like, where are you watching this video from? How are you doing? Small YouTubers gather here. Or please like, share, and drop a comment for me. Or please turn on your post notification and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Just drop nice comments, more than one comment, like 2, 3, 4 comments in your comment section, and you will see that the engagement on that post will increase and YouTube will get to push out that video to its right audience. So that being said, the next thing I would like you to know, immediately after uploading your face for the first time, please like, share, drop a nice comment for me, let me know where you're watching this video from, and subscribe to this channel. Remember to turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss out on any of our updates. So guys, let's continue. Now, the second thing I would like you to do immediately after uploading your YouTube video is head over to your YouTube studio and check the info of that video to know how well the video is performing, to know the click-through rate if people are choosing to click through the video or swipe away, and you also know if people are getting to watch that video more than your other videos. So if people are not watching that video more than your other videos, then you have to re-strategize, modify the description and your tags, and change your title, change your thumbnail, and give the video some time to blow up. If people are watching the video, then there's no need for modification. But if people are not watching the video, then you have to modify. You have to change your title, change your thumbnail, and modify your description and your tags. And then your video will pick up and blow up. This is what I mean when I said you should check the info of your video after upload to know how well the video is performing and know if to make adjustments and modifications to your video. Now, this video was uploaded sometime in May 2024, and right now this video has gotten over 13,000 views and 631 watch time. Let's open the analytics to see. Now, this video has had over 13,051 views since it was published. It has given me 631 watch time and 196 subscribers. Let's check the reach of this video. This video has reached over 175,000 people with an impressions click-through rate of 5.3% and 13,000 plus views. So far, viewers found this video from suggested videos, browse features, other YouTube features, external, and some external sites where through which viewers found this video were through WhatsApp on WhatsApp Business and Google search. Let's see what the engagement is saying. So far, this video has given me 631 watch time, and viewers watch this video on an average of 2 minutes 54 seconds. This video was quite long. It was about 10 minutes, and viewers watched at least 2 minutes 54 seconds, which is not bad. So this is what I mean. From time to time, you check the analytics of your video, check through and know how well your video is doing, and if to make adjustments so that your videos can kick or pick up. As it stands, this video still gives me subscribers every day and still increases my watch time. So guys, on to the next. The next thing I want you to do is carry your video, your YouTube channel, your market on your head like gala seller. Yes, market your channel yourself with your mouth. Go to your YouTube, your social media pages, market your channel. I'm not saying post links. I am saying market your channel, market your video, every video that you upload. post a thumbnail, post a little about the video, maybe a short clip about the video, and post your channel name so that your followers can go and watch the video and see what it's about and also engage with the video. Lastly, always create short forms of your videos. For every video that you create, make sure that it has a short form posted on your channel. Shorts travel further than long form videos. Shorts will get you subscribers faster, and shorts can also help you increase your watch time if you post it the right way. If you add the long form video in the related videos column, and also add the link to the long form video in your description box of the shorts, you will get more subscribers and more watch time, and this will eventually help you get monetized faster on YouTube. So I talked about uploading your YouTube shorts the right way to get more views, more subscribers, and more watch time. And this is what I mean. So this is a short I've already uploaded on my channel. The title is there, the description is there, the visibility is public, it's not made for kids, and this is a place I was talking about. So a video that is related to these shorts has been added to this related videos column, so that this video in this related videos column can get more views. A video related to your short should be added to your related videos column to get more views and more watch time. Or a video that is not doing well, you should add it to your related videos column to get more views, more watch time. I hope you understand this video helpful. Please start implementing so that you start seeing positive results in your channel, so that your videos can start kicking up and picking up and blowing up. This is the reason why we are all here on YouTube. I really do hope this video was helpful. If you've watched till this point, do well to hit the like button, drop a comment for me, let me know where you're watching this video from. I really hope that you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more YouTube group tips. Bye guys, till next time.